At Grip, we've seen a lot of good examples of how people encourage engagement with their app. Firstly, it's awareness. You have to make sure that people know about it and the benefits that run alongside it. Make sure they know that the event agenda is in there. Make sure that they know that they can pre-schedule their meetings. And make sure that they know that they can find their way around the event using your floor plans that are within. Secondly, incentivize. Use incentives to get people to download the app before they come. This might be anything from giveaways or raffles to even planting a tree each time a download is made. There are some great ways to incentivize downloads, and you should use them. Thirdly, get creative with your content within the app. So maybe these are things like interviews with keynote speakers, content that's exclusively within the app, giveaways, raffles, anything to get people into the app in the first place, and once they're in, they will start taking actions elsewhere. Fourthly, when people have downloaded the app, keep giving them a reason to go in. You can do this by using push notifications. Give them a reason to visit a particular page on the app. Give them another reminder that the app exists while they're going about their event. Number 5, and it should go without saying, your app should be easy to navigate and people can find exactly what they're looking for in the shortest amount of time possible. A bonus tip is to not give people an excuse to not download the app. If you're going to have an app with the floor plan in it, you don't need to print maps. If you're going to have the agenda in your app, you don't need a printed program, and it means that you're being more sustainable too.